Hi there, Kryptonauts. William Woody here. In all my years of doing these reviews, I have very frequently seen just absolutely unstable pump and dump coins that are just a spike on the chart and then they plummet as whatever happens. People lose interest. Heaven forbid there's a rug pull. I have not seen much like Accuplan, which is really a retirement investing firm that has added crypto to their portfolio. They're future-proofing. They've got something stepping forward here. You put your investment plans into action. Now, it's not limited to crypto, but this is Cryptonautics, so that's what we're going to focus on. But there are all sorts of ways you can invest, and it's very important to put your eggs in multiple baskets. Like the old investing metaphor says, you put all your eggs in one basket, that basket falls, now all of your eggs are gone. But if you have a bunch of little baskets, the more baskets you have, the more spread out it is. One of them gets crushed, you can survive it because the other ones are growing. Little by little, that's how these things work. They are pioneering the self-directed IRA landscape. Industry leaders, they have the lowest industry fees, they're dedicated experts, and they have got the platform. Now, I am no financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but they've got something good here. You're going to do your own research, but I encourage you to investigate Accuplan. Check it out. That's what I've been up to. Now, if you want to invest, you set up your little account, you create your own wallet here. It's all internal. Say you want to make a new investment. Click invest. New investment. So, as I was saying, they have all sorts of ways you can invest. Real estate, stock purchase, precious metals, wholly owned LLC, private loans, vendor fee, private placement, 990T. Custom capital call, but we are here to look at cryptocurrency. So, Bitcoin is, there we got all our classic line going here. Not the candlestick, but it's the equivalent. So you can buy or sell one if you've got. You pick your quantity. And let's check out this drop-down menu. We have got, so many different options to go with. 517. Now that is a reasonable low number. Good place to get in on it. So it is at a low, and there's a good chance if it even gets to there, well, you are making some money again. So there's one that's kind of cool. Let's see what else we got here. Maple Finance. Ooh. So that is some solid upward trajectory through its all-time. And there you have that. Now for my own retirement plan, I'm going for a bunch of different things. I've got some crypto. I'm setting up an IRA. My brother's been on me about this. Check out Polyswarm here. Oh, yeah. So, it's had these little spikes, but it is very reasonably priced. Yeah, 2 cents right now. You could stock up on that and see what kind of returns you get in spikes as they come, and stock up on a bunch of others, however much you feel safe with. Spread it all out, get it all safe, keep everything stable, and watch your numbers grow. Now, I will say personally, I was setting up an account with Accuplan. I loathe to admit, I made a typo typing my own name. I am impressed that this is the first time this has happened that I can recall, but this was an official document, and my name is William. I typed 1 L instead of 2 L's. William, I typed. I submitted my driver's license, which has my name spelled correctly, and I should have had to resubmit it. But I was lazy, and I emailed them, and I was like, hey, I made a typo saying my name. I'm a jerk, and you've already got the information. And I must commend whoever helped me. He's like, oh yeah, we got it. We'll take care of it. Don't you worry about it, Mr. Woody. These guys are on the money. They're incredibly respectful. They're incredibly competent. And they have amazing, just a body of experience behind them. And they have financial advisor support. They have advisors from Accuplan available to answer your questions and provide any assistance you might need. So, there you have it. This is an exciting new thing in crypto. It's usually it's a way to stabilize this whole very volatile thing into something that's more like investing and not like gambling. I think that is just a great thing to do. I'm happy to see it. I want to see more of it. We've got lots of transfers. We've got lots of, we've got all this data, self-directed IRA for cryptocurrencies, 120 cryptocurrencies with which to trade. It's really foolproof, really well set up. They've got a call number and a text number, so you can address them however you like. Don't have to worry about, trying to call and text the same person or whatever. They're all there for you. All right. Well, links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.